Go on my peeps, man. Man, I respect again, man. I see. Give thanks for your support all the time, you know. So today I want to mash up something bad funny in idea. First, I can do this for my channel, my peeps. Just subscribe, like up the video, make a comment, man, you know. Yeah, man, see it to my peeps, see what I go on, you know. Watch out my peeps, see all of the ingredients them here what I going to use. You know what I mean? So I have sweet potato right here. Piece of yam, white flour, cornmeal, butter, vanilla, my peeps. Also, I have a coconut. Yeah, man. Can't forget the coconut, you know. That is it. So I go get the bar rolling and now, my peeps. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. So first, get the coconut out, you know. Now, my peeps, I get out the coconut from out the shelf. Out the shell. Just get the knife, find the creases, take time and, you know, prise them out, just like that. Yeah, my beautiful peeps, coconut finish ox out, you see me? Wash it off already, you know. Clean and pretty now, my peeps. And trash them over there, so. I just get to the grater in now, my peeps. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. Grate up them coconut here now, you know. Watch out now, my peeps. Coconut already. Grater here now, you see me? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to juice them here first before I peel the food them, you see me? Because I see them container I have to go use for grate the sweet potato and the yam into. So I'm going to juice this now and then throw out the juice out of this into something else. Stay tuned, my peeps. Yeah, my peeps, get some water in the container. I juice the coconut here now. Get the juice. So I can get the juice out of the container here now, my peeps. Yeah, my peeps, this I go body on my peeps. First time I'm doing this on the channel. First time for everything, you know, my peeps. So I'm here right now. Getting this coconut that I just grated. Juice. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. So I go on and now, my peeps. Yes, sir. So I'll get them here peeled up and now, my peeps. And grated them, you know. Sweet potato and yam. Sweet potato and yam, my peeps. I now use all of the yam. Just a little piece I will cut off, you know. So stay tuned, my peeps. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. So now I'll get them potato here peeled up. Sweet potato. Yeah, my beautiful peeps, sweet potato peel already. This is a piece of yam. Get it peeled. See all of the trash over here, so now all of the peelings. So I'm going to grate them here now, my peeps. Check in, my peeps. Now, me I go get the coconut milk sweeten up with some ingredients to the potato and the yam already grated into this container. But first, I'm going to sort out this, the coconut milk. Get it spiced up, you know. Throw the vanilla, have the vanilla into this, my peeps. So I'm going to add it into the milk. Now I have some brown sugar here. About half pound of brown sugar that my peeps. Then, time for grate the nut the egg. Can't find me nut the egg grater, my peeps, so I have to use a big one and use and grate the coconut and the sweet potato, you know. Still I do the job still. So I go on. See? Still I do the job, my peeps. So I grate a little bit more than it, my peeps. That is it. Now, man. Now, I'm going to deal with the sweet potato and the yam. Stay tuned. Yeah, my peeps, so I'm going to add a little salt in the milk before I deal with the other stuff. Them, you know. Stay tuned. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. So I have half pound of flour in this bag, my peeps. I'm going to throw all of it tonight. So I have half pound of cornmeal here, but I'm not going to use all of the cornmeal, my peeps. That is it. Beautiful, man. See me? Stay tuned when I mix up the milk tonight, my peeps, and get it smooth out, you know. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. So I go on here now. So I get this mix out, you know. Remember, my peeps, after you spice the coconut milk, you mix it up, you know. Mix it up so everything can combine, you know what I mean? Alright, time for get it into this, which is the cornmeal, the flour, the grater sweet potato and the grater yam. Right? So we'll combine everything now, my peeps. Yeah, my peeps. They here I combine all of them things here together, you know. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, if you just a tune in, my peeps, they here are prepare for go bake some real Jamaican sweet potato pudding, you know. That is it. So I have the mixture over here now, the coconut mixture. Put a little bit in it first. Remember now we are trying to get him smooth out, you know. Oh, it smells nice. Smell nice. Check in my peeps. Check in my peeps. So I want it, you know, my peeps. Yeah, man, smooth out, you know. So I go on. Yeah, man. This is a mixture, my peeps. So I'm going to catch the cold stove now, my peeps, and get the bar rolling, you know. Stay tuned. Boom, bang, bang, my peeps. Time to ignite the fire, you see me? Get some charcoal and a stove here, my peeps. Don't know it going on, man. Some potato pudding in the morning and food in my peeps. Nah, use only for fire, you know. And say Ella top, Ella bottom. Hallelujah in the middle. Which mean fire bottom, fire top. And the pudding in the middle. So watch how I go on now, my peeps. Yeah, my peeps, get some chip. The charcoal and all this way it's easier to catch, you know. Come on, fire. Don't play with me now, man. In there, no fire. Cause you'll get burned, you know. Watch it. Fire don't make me have to burn you up, you know. Oh. Sir, fire up and running, you know, my peeps. I want to make it catch a little bit more. And then me get the bar rolling, make you see, see me? Check in, my beautiful peeps, so. Now I grease the baking thing now. I just cut a piece of butter. Get it grease up and over. This way, the pudding will stick up into the baking tin, you know. So you have to grease the baking tin with a piece of butter first before you throw in the baking mixture into the baking tin. So I mean, so I go on fully grease. So I just drop that piece here into the baking mixture and cut up a few more pieces into it. That to do, you know. So now, get the butter mixed up into the mixture. Don't want to change the angle soon in my piece, but time I go, you know, fire burn out. So I will just throw everything in it now. Scoop, man, scoop. So I go on them poops. See that, man, beautiful, man. Fire over here, so my peeps ready and waiting to check in my peeps. I start it out and now phone now. Check here my piece, get out some of the fire out of the stove, you know. Check here now my peeps. Get this over the fire like that. Then put this over it like that. Then hot like a fire. Now we'll get the rest of fire on top. Just like that, my peeps. Check in, my peeps. So I'll go on the money now. Boy, my peeps, I want to come out soft.